We've got 3 Bradford pears right here in the yard, and Susan wants them gone. She doesn't like them. She wants them gone. They're not native to the US, so my job is to get rid of them. Well, we got it thinned out, but not down. The chainsaw died on us, so I'm gonna have to get her working again and sharpen the blades. While cutting on the Bradford pears yesterday, my good old steel that used to be my dad's locked up on me. I'm gonna have to carry it to the shop, but I went ahead and went to Home Depot today and got a Echo Timberwolf with a 20-inch bar, 59.8 cc gas-powered chainsaw. We got it out of the box. It's all nice and shiny. It won't stay that way long. But interesting, this says a warning, cancer and reproductive harm. I guess that's if you cut something off. Got the chainsaw gassed up, put the bar oil in it. It did take about 7 or 8 cranks to get it started that first time, get the gas worked in. But then once it fired, ran like a charm. Cut down a couple of big tree limbs, now the tree's coming down. This new chainsaw is lights out night and day from my old skill. It is, of course, it's got a brand new blade on it, that's helpful. It's also a lot more powerful because just in a matter of minutes, I've already taken down the biggest section of the middle of that. This is the one I started on yesterday. Let's finish her up. And just like that, it's down. I got to trim up these limbs. The ones that are 3 inches and smaller will go in the wood chipper to make mulch for the garden. And I just have to take this bad boy down. Well, that's got me worked up into a sweat, but got a big pile of firewood. Some of it needs to be split, some of these bigger ones, but we can take that with us on camping trips as long as we're not going too far away. They don't like you to bring bugs in. This big one over here still got to be cut up right here, but I'm gonna start dragging some of this out, because anything that's 3 inches or smaller is going to get shredded in our wood chipper, and all of this fine sawdust we're going to end up with wood chips to put in our garden bed. So that's just a simple, easy step. We piled up a bunch of these long branches together, put a rope on them, and hitched it to the back of the Ranger. So let's just drag it there and save my back. Well, everything's cleaned up except for the firewood and the stump. And so the firewood's probably going to wait till tomorrow, but the stump's about to come down. The stump is down. I do have a friend that's got a stump grinder, so we'll grind that up. I typically like to also drill holes in it, put some Epsom salt in it, so that Epsom salt will end up killing the roots so it doesn't try to come back. But that one's done. We've got 2 more to go, but that's for another day. These are all the branches that came off of that one Bradford pear. So all of these will be going into the wood chipper. We've got a bunch of it. So that's for another day though. Ralph Man's Outdoors. I thought I would get that done in one day. Chainsaw shut down on me yesterday, but with the new chainsaw, we got her going. I'm still gonna go get the other one fixed, so I'll have it as a backup. But next time we'll do some chipping. We'll have all of this for the garden, and then I'll get to work on the other 2 Bradford pears. If you liked it, found anything helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. You'll know when we put out another video. Till next time, God bless.